بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
My name is Muhammad Salman. I am from University of Sargodha. Today we will discuss the HCA topic, interaction design, and the activities that are involved in the interaction design. First of all, we will discuss what is interaction design. It is a process, a goal-directed problem-solving activity informed by intended user, target domain, material, cost, and feasibility. It is a creative activity, a decision-making activity to balance trade-offs, generating alternative and choosing between them. Four basic approaches that are involved in the interaction design. First of all is the user-centered design. Second is activity-centered design. Third one is system design, and fourth one is genius design. Now we will discuss the activities that are involved in the interaction design. Basically, there are four activities that are involved in the interaction design. First one is establishing requirement. Establishing requirement means gathering requirement, the way which we gather the requirement. The second is designing alternative. Third is prototyping, and fourth one is evaluating. Now we will discuss a life cycle model of interaction design. We will start from the establishing requirement. Establishing requirement means gathering requirement. We gather the requirement from the customer, user, which come in our company. Then we design its alternative. After designing its alternative, we make a prototype of that alternatives, and then we evaluate that activities. Evaluating requirement is the last phase of the life cycle model. So some practical issues arise here. Here the questions are arise: who are the users? What do we mean by needs? How to generate alternative? How to choose among alternatives? How to integrate interaction design activity with other life cycle models? No, first of all, discuss who are the user and stakeholder. Not as obvious as you think. Those who interact directly with the product, those who manage direct users, those who receive output from the product, those who make the purchasing decision, those who use the competitor's product. There are three activities of users. It is described by SN 1987. First one is a primary, then secondary and tertiary. Primary, it involves the frequent hands-on. Secondary, it involves the optional or via someone else. Tertiary, it is affected by its introduction or will influence its purchase. Now we will describe a example. Who are the stakeholders by a diagram. Who are the stakeholders? Stakeholders are the suppliers or local shop owners. Maybe you go into mall or for shopping or creating or buying something. The person who are the manager, who are the manager and users, like showing this, and you are going into the shop and it is a customer, like you are the customer. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot.